Hey Excel enthusiasts, welcome back to Excel Secrets Unlocked. Today, we're diving into a super simple yet powerful shortcut, Ctrl+3. Everyone wanted to make your spreadsheet look more polished with just a keystroke. While with Ctrl+3, you can instantly toggle italics on and off for any selected cell or text. Here's how it works. Select a cell or highlight text within the formula bar. Press Ctrl plus number 3 and boom, your text is now italicized. Press it again and it's back to normal. Use this for emphasis, style, or just a make your spreadsheet pop. Pro tip, Ctrl plus letter I will function the same. Please try it out and let me know in comments how you use Ctrl+3 in your spreadsheets. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more Excel tips. See you next time.